Hey there, welcome to JLJ's World channel. This is the channel that brings you educational videos from all scopes of life. All you need to do is to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can never miss out on any of my videos. Today, I am going to talk about Forex trading. Well, I know that most of you have heard of Forex trading, but some have not heard of it. But I'm here for all of you who wish to learn something about Forex trading. I made this to share with you what I've learned in Forex, and I'm hoping that at the end of this course, I will help someone who has been wishing to learn. In the course of our interaction here, I will be posting detailed, educative, and informative Forex beginner course videos that will enable you to begin your Forex trading journey. And it is my hope that I will impact a life somewhere by sharing my skills. Make sure you don't miss out on any of my videos by simply subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Okay, let's begin. What is Forex? Forex is a short form or an abbreviation for the word foreign exchange. The FOR in the word Forex represents foreign, while the EX represents exchange. In simple terms, Forex is just trading one currency for another currency. For example, if I am traveling from Japan to the United Kingdom, I will have to exchange my Japanese yen for the British pound. That will enable me to be able to carry out my activities and transactions while I am in Britain. Okay, let's know who trades Forex and why. Forex is mainly traded by banks, corporations, and retail traders. Banks are the major stakeholders when it comes to Forex trading since they have the financial muscles. Banks use fluctuations in currency values to make profits, thereby increasing their annual turnover, or in other words, profits. In fact, there is a high chance that you would prefer to use banks when exchanging one currency for another simply because banks can be trusted, but not 100%. What about corporations? Corporations are involved in forex trading, especially when paying for goods and services from overseas. This is mostly large transactions where money will be exchanged for goods and services. For example, when a vehicle assembly company in Kenya needs to purchase spare parts from Japan, it will have to exchange their money from Kenyan shillings into a currency that they can be able to purchase the spare parts from whatever country they want to purchase, in this case, Japan. And retail traders. Retail traders are small scale traders, traders who do not have huge amounts of money like banks and corporations to trade forex. Now, this is where most of us fall, and that is the reason you are here today, of course, to learn how you can make an extra income from forex trading. Now, most retail traders buy and sell currencies on an online platform to make profits from the fluctuations in price of currencies. And these platforms are commonly known as forex brokers. We shall learn about them later in another video. So, what are the advantages of trading forex? There are several advantages of trading forex. I managed to compile just a few. There is low to barrier entry. You can trade forex anytime. There is high liquidity. You do not pay for transaction costs, and there is better risk management. Fine. Let's go through each one of them. Low barrier to entry. There is low barrier to entry since you can easily open a forex trading account without having some money to pay for the account, as opposed to, let's say, stocks trading, where you'll be required to pay an initial amount so that you can be able to open a stock trading account. With Forex, you can trade anytime and anywhere since it is traded 24/7. That is 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, from Monday to Friday. There is also high liquidity in Forex, and that is the reason why you can make a considerable amount of money within a short time of period because of the liquidity in the Forex market. Please note that you can also lose a considerable amount of time because of the same liquidity. In Forex trading, we do not pay for transaction costs as opposed to trading stocks. However, as we shall learn later, brokers in Forex trading benefit from what we call spreads. This we shall learn also in another video. And lastly, on advantages of trading Forex is that there is better risk management in Forex trading. If you are a disciplined Forex trader, then Forex trading provides you with better risk management tools such as stop loss and take profit that you can use to manage your trades. Thus, it is easier to manage your risks. Lastly, we cannot talk about advantages without talking about the disadvantages. As far as I know, there is one major disadvantage of trading Forex. That is, take note of that, you can lose all your capital if you are not disciplined. Yes, all your capital can be wiped out if you're not disciplined. And that is why I am here to provide you with the required guidance on how you can navigate through your Forex trading and ensure that at the end of the day, you are a profitable trader. And that is what I had for you today. Continue subscribing to this channel to get more educational videos on Forex trading and other topics that will follow. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Let us share this knowledge and let us grow together. Thank you so much, and God bless you in your trading.